I am Bishop Horn in the Netherlands, and I'm going to make macaroni, a little bit Suriname, a little bit Italian and a little bit Dutch together. This is what we all need: olive oil, vegetables, meatloaf, pasta sauce, a little bit Suriname sauce, herbs, and of course macaroni. First of all, we're going to fill this pot with water. So that can boil and it's ready when we need it. So a little bit olive oil. Make sure all is clean. Okay. This pan, a little bit olive oil. Next time we're going to need is waiting that it's hot enough so that we can make macaroni meatloaf. Going to mix it a little bit. I don't use it all. Just use. This is almost enough. Okay, ready. Close it well. Italian herbs for the taste. Okay, hope it's enough. A little bit olive oil to make it smooth. A little bit of Suriname sauce. Okay, mix it. Leave it. Okay. So wait till the oil is hot, and may God bless it. Okay, macaroni is ready. The meatloaf goes in the fridge. Let's try if it is getting too hot. Not yet. The lid for the pasta, aka macaroni. cook this, you need some patience because nothing's go rapid otherwise as fast. So yeah, I just recorded. Well, this is for later. Vegetables, they are fresh. I buy it by the supermarket. See, it's fresh. Start to open this. Okay, it smells good. In time. Okay. Close this door.